Hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at Remax. And I have for you a market update, but this one is special because it's not just month over month, it is year over year. And I'm actually looking at not just 2021, but also 2020 and 2019 and the changes we have seen. It is crazy. Everyone's talking about how crazy our market is. Everyone's talking about how much prices have gone up and appreciated and all the things. Here is what I can tell you, facts. These are facts. In Tarrant County, because that's where we do the majority of our business. You know, we work all over the Metroplex. We will go to Collin County, Johnson County, all the places. Tarrant and Johnson are where we spend the most of our time, and Ellis. In Tarrant County, the average sales price in 2021 was $393. Okay, so just because I have been in the business for almost a decade, 10 years ago in Arlington, the average sales price was like $165,000. So the fact that we're almost at 400 just blows my mind. That's 10 years ago. Let's look at the last 2 years. It was 393 in 2021. In 2020, it was 333, $60,000 in 1 year. And in 2019, it was 299. That is almost $100,000 in growth. But let's put that from a ratio perspective. Year over year, from 2020 to 2021, we saw an 18% increase. Somebody can check my math and comment and tell me if I did that right, but it is an 18% increase in Tarrant County year over year from 2020 to 2021. From 2019 to 2021, in 2 years, it is a 30% increase. It is crazy. It's crazy good if you own a home, but also if you are looking to purchase, rates are still so low that it is still, even though prices are appreciating, you are not saving yourself by waiting and waiting and waiting, thinking the market is going to crash, okay? Because interest rates are going to start to go up and houses are going to continue to appreciate. So ultimately, you're just reducing your affordability. So all I'm saying is, even though you may not have bought in the last 2 years, you're still okay. It's still a good time to buy because interest rates are still low. They will eventually go up and home prices will continue to appreciate. So you should still be building equity in your home, even if you buy now in this market that is already gaining so much steam. In Johnson County, it went from 249 in 2019 to 270 in 2020 to 341 in 2021. I did not do the percentage math on that, but again, it's almost $100,000 in 2 years, from 249 in 2019 up to 341 in 2021. Same story all over. Ellis went from 285 to 394. Dallas went from 393 in 2019 to 483. In Collin County, your average sales price right now is $528,000. $500,000 is your average sales price in Collin County. And in Denton County, it's at 484. So click on the comment section to look at these numbers a little bit more closely. The other thing I want you to see is that the average days on market keeps getting lower. Okay, so in Tarrant County in 2019, it was taking on average 48 days to sell a house. Now in 2020, it went down to 30, and now it's down to 24 in 2021. So, interestingly enough, with COVID happening sort of halfway through, not even halfway through 2019, and then all of 2020 was kind of a COVID year. No, I'm lying. I'm making that up. It happened in 2020. You would think that 2020 would have had a reduced number of sales because 2020 is when COVID happened. I apologize. It was not 2019. I misspoke. We had more home sales in 2020 than both 2019 and 2021. So this is just really interesting data. So take a look at what I have posted for you in the comment section. Moral of the story, home prices continue to go up, days on market continue to go down, and we are still selling just as many houses as we've always been selling, and that number continues to rise as well. So it's still a great time to buy, still a great time to sell, and we would love to help you if you have a goal of doing any of those things. So happy annual market update. We get to do one every January. So we will see you in February with our first monthly market update of 2022. Oh, I can't believe it's 2022. All right, everyone have a great rest of the month, and we will see you soon. Bye.